Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. Today's video, I'm walking you around a Honda S2000 that we've upgraded with a DAB singled-in unit, but with fully retaining the actual flap that basically covers it as well. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, hit that subscribe button below and it'll keep you up to date with all of our latest videos. In terms of the solution that we've gone for, a customer came into us looking for a new radio upgrade to not only give more channels on the actual DAB stations, but also actually give more functionality in terms of Bluetooth streaming, getting his own music live directly now on that new unit. And what we've done is exactly that. We've upgraded the original unit with the new Kenwood unit that basically features things like CD, Bluetooth streaming, Bluetooth hands-free, but also adding in digital radio. The way we've added digital radio is actually using a separate antenna, which is mounted on the left-hand side of the windscreen. We've also added in a separate microphone for hands-free as well. So not only is this driver now safe on the road, but also can enjoy his own music, but also a vast variety of different channels via digital radio. So if you're interested in something like this, make sure you get in touch with us. Drop us a message on any of our social media platforms. But thank you very much for watching a very short video on the Honda S2000 upgrade of the radio. So thank you very much for watching. We'll see you soon.